Hello there, you are welcome back. In this chapter, however, I will be teaching you on how to insert images and content into your web page. In the last class, I taught you how to place your letterings, how to create menu buttons, and how to um, set up your page. I also taught you how to create tables, to create structures for your website, for your web page. Today I'm going to be taking you on how to insert images. Like I told you in the last class, I already have my web page planned out. I want an image here and I want some write-ups around it. So I'll first start by inserting my image right here. So what I do is that there are two ways to insert images. The first way is to first get the size, actual size of this block. This is where I want to insert my image. How do you know the size of this square where I want to insert my image? It's very simple. You can measure the size of this image and create an image, the size of this block rather, and create an image to fit into this box. How do you do that? You get your ruler. You come here. This is 433 pixels, and this is 100 pixels. Now, what is you subtract 431 minus 100 pixels will give you 333. So your width is 333 pixels, and you can also get um, to get the length. All you need to do is to pick another one from here, drag it here. You have 484 pixels here, and you have 705. So 705 minus 486 pixel will give you the length of this box. So you can now create an image with respect to the width that you've gotten by measuring this box and the height. But I'm not just going to go into that. We'll be doing that in the advanced class. Now let's insert our image. I have an image that I want to put right here. So what I need to do is to take this cursor up here because it has to be at the top. So what you do is come down here to the vertical that vertical alignment, and you take it to the top. You find out that the cursor has moved up here. So you come here under the same common menu bar. You come common toolbar, sorry. You come here, you click right here, then you look for the image where you have the image on your computer. I think I have an image, I have my images um, here on my document. I have my images on my document, my document, um, my desktop. Yeah, this is where I have my images. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to make use of this image. You see, the file is telling me now that the file is outside the root folder. It is asking for permission to copy because before that image can appear on my website, it has to be located inside that folder, inside the Home Affairs folder and my document folder. Now it's asking me to copy that image wherever it is to that my Home Affairs folder in my document folder. This is done as a result of the site definition that we did initially. Do you remember that? Now, would you like to copy the file there now? Yes. Then you can name it whatever. I decided to name it the name that it came with. So just clicking on save. Then you want to link it to another website? If you want to link it to another website, this is where you enter the URL. If you want an alternative text to appear, in case your images does not appear on your website, you want an alternative text to appear, you can just write it here. And well, home affairs, home affairs, window blinds, window blinds. Yeah. So when you click on OK, you can see the image there. Then you can resize right here. You can resize. Yeah. can resize the image to fit in. Yeah, so you can resize the image, then you still have, just play around this. Is very very simple. Very simple. Note, when I was trying to adjust my image, I didn't drag it from here. I dragged it diagonally inwards so that I won't lose the shape of my image. Now, let's preview what we have done. Come here, preview in Firefox, save changes to home, and see that we have the image right here. See how easy it is? Now, let's add some text. Let's have some content. I already have a content here that I've written somewhere. So let me just copy my content and paste. Control C here. As you can see that the cursor is at the middle. You need to take this cursor up. You need to take it up here for the text to align with the image. So you come down here, click on this default, click on the top. You find out that the cursor has moved to the top. Then you press your Control V to paste the text. Now as you can see that the text is in here right now, but it doesn't look too beautiful. It doesn't look too beautiful, and it's too close. Sorry about that. It's too close to our image. So what you need to do is simple. You click on this table, click on the table, um, then you come here, change the cell space to 3, click on enter, then you come down here as well, click on enter, and you can now write welcome to our official website. Our official website. You can increase the size of this to 16 and change the color. You can give it another color, just you know, to blend, to give it a unique look. Then you can then take our right up here. We can then do some formatting based on your knowledge of text formatting that you have. You can decide to justify this, and you can increase this font size a bit, maybe to 14. Let's just see how it will look like. Then let's try to see how our website will look like. Well, we can as well reduce this size anyway. Can reduce this, reduce this, and reduce this. I'll take it this way. Now let's preview our site. Preview in Firefox, save, and see. See that we already have our website is coming up. Can you see? Our website is coming up. Our website is coming up. Our website is coming up. So we can then add more write-ups to our website. You can decide to put this together. You can merge these two cells together. Right click, come to table, merge cells, so that it will allow us to put our write-ups, more write-ups there. Then you remember I said if you want to take this cursor up, where you come down here, click on top, take it to the top. Then you can get, if you have other write-ups, somewhere that you want to use for your website, you can go copy them and paste them here just to fill this place. Let me just copy one. Let me do one right now. Let me copy from here. Let me copy from my about us, and okay, let me just copy this. Control C, and I come to my Micromedia Dreamweaver, press my Control V, and I have this. Can you see what I'm doing? Now I'm editing the text, I'm formatting the text. I have this style as style 6, and I can as well come down here. I want this to look exactly like welcome to our official page. Then I highlight this, come here, I pick on style 6. You can see that it has changed to this welcome to our official website. And then I can also come here, come to the style, sorry about that, and pick style 6 again. Yeah, so now let's see what our web page looks like. Come preview in Firefox, save changes to home, and see, let's see what we have. Can you see that we're already designing our web page? And I'm going to stop here right now. I want to see what you have done so far. You can send an email of your page, maybe a screenshot of your page, to info@designswags.com, or you can send it to my email, campbellyinka@gmail.com. As you can see on your screen right now. So let's see what we have. Let's see what you have. And we're going to talk more. I'm going to teach you how to set up some scrolling messages on your web page. See you in the next class. Thank you.